In this lecture, we will solve a GATE question on automata theory from 2017. Okay. So it is given that identify the language generated by the following grammar where S is the start symbol, as you know. So grammar is S to capital XY, capital X to AX or small a, Y to AYB and epsilon. Now option is given, number A to the power M, B to the power N, M greater than equal to N and N greater than 0. M greater than equal to N and N greater than 0. Option A. Option B, A to the power M, B to the power N, M greater than equal to N, N greater than equal to 0. See, this is greater than 0, this is greater than equal to 0. So you have to keep this in mind. Number C, A to the power N, M, B to the power N, M greater than N, N greater than equal to 0. Okay. And D, A to the power M, B to the power N, M greater than N, N greater than 0. This is N greater than equal to 0, N greater than 0. So now let us see that what are the language, what are the expression can be generated with this grammar. Okay. So let us take this one X to AX A. So and what can you generate with this? Okay, so whatever thing you can generate is at least there will be A. So n number of A's. So you can represent that A plus. Okay. So which can be written as like this way, A to the power M, where M greater than equal to 1, because see, at least one A will be there. So number of M will be greater than equal to 1. Okay. So you have to keep this in mind. Now let us consider this Y, AYB or epsilon. What it can generate, let us consider this one, AYB. Now replace again this Y with AAYBB. So ultimately if you go on replacing this, you will get same number of A's and same number of B's, and finally you replace this Y with epsilon, so you will get A to the power N and B to the power N. So from here you will get, what is the thing is, A to the power N, B to the power N, where N greater than equal to 0. Because why N greater than equal to 0? Because if you first replace with Y with epsilon, so in that case N greater than N will be equal to 0 or greater than equal to 0. So these two things we are getting. Okay. Now this one S to XY. Now combine these two. Okay. So while combining A to the power M, where this one M greater than equal to 1, and another thing you are getting this one, A to the power N, B to the power N, N greater than equal to 0. Okay. So now see, when we combining, you are getting A to the power, let us say, when you add these two, this one and this one, you are getting A to the power, suppose M prime. Now why M prime I am telling, and B to the power N prime. Okay, where M prime greater than N prime and N greater than equal to 0. M prime is nothing but M plus N, and N prime is equal to N. Now see, you are adding these two. See, this one and this one. Okay. So in both cases m prime will be m plus m plus n is m prime, m plus n will be m prime. Okay, so this one. So now let us see what are the options given over here. So this no, this option is also no, because given that n greater than this one, so only this by these two, because this is n greater than equal to, so but we have found that this is greater, okay, this is greater, m prime greater than n prime, so this among these two options we have to select, and n greater than equal to z, so this one, okay. So option C is correct answer, okay. So this is one problem in 2017 in GATE exam. So let us do another problem, same from 2017, okay. So 2017 question is the minimum possible number of state of a DFA that accepts the regular language L equal to W1 E W2, where W1 and W2 belongs to A B star, and length of the length of the W1 is 2 and W2 is equal to 3 is the number, that is what is the minimum number of state you need for the minimal DFA, okay. So you see that W1 and W2 both are a combination of string of A and B. So we can say that W1 and W2, if formed by A plus B, this one plus. So the language, see this is 2, this is 3. So what are the language can be generated with this one? So it will be A plus B, because W1 is A plus B. Then between A and after that W2 is it is given that W2 is greater than equal to 3, so minimum 3. So this 3 minimum is 3, and if it is greater than 3 we will represent this as this one, okay. Now let us try to draw the DFA. So this is your W1, this is A, and this is your W2 or DFA. So starting with Q0, either A or B, Q1, either A or B. Next you go to Q2. From Q2 this is only A, and where is the B? Because we are drawing the DFA, so we have to, that will input of B, but since there is no transition you have to go to the date state, so I make it in the date state, and A or B. Then this is Q3, A and B, A or B, Q4, A or B, Q5, so it is 5, okay, again A and B, Q6, A and B, and this is Q7. This is your final state, A and B, okay. So how many, this is the corresponding minimal DFA of this particular string, okay. So 1, 2, 3 and this one, okay, got it. Now how many number of state? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minimum number of state is 8, okay. So this is 8. So hope you understand this problem, okay. So these two problems came in 2017. Thank you.